game is asking me to put things into order. One thing at a time, basically, except on Saturday when I've got two. I want to point something out. Notice I've created this rule tree out of all my rules. It combines them all together, right? And notice that in this tree, H and L have no relationship to F. I mean, it kind of visually looks like they're after F, but that just doesn't have to be true. There's no line connecting them to F. So it might still be the case that F is before L and L is on Saturday. Or it still might be the case that you have both H and L before F, in which case, obviously, S wouldn't be on Saturday anyway. But the fifth rule is the only other thing that's worth talking about, and you can see that I've used my unless method. And if you don't know the unless method, check out that free video. All right, question 12. A schedule for them from first to last. A doesn't have any problem, so that's going to be our answer. B, however, if F is before L, L has to be on Saturday. Get rid of B. Answer choice C, F has to be before both K and M. Get rid of answer choice C. Answer choice D, rule 4 tells us that K is before Z. Get rid of answer choice D. And finally, answer choice E, well, H has to be before L, so get rid of that, rule 1. And that is that first question. For question 13, who can't be on desk duty on Tuesday? Notice that Zon down there at the very, very bottom of the screen, Zon has both K and F in front of her. Ain't no way Zon goes on Tuesday. Question 14 doesn't give me anything I can put into a diagram, it just gives me relational rules. If K is before M, so now I've got FKM in a row, and the rest of my diagram still holds. K is still before Z, and H and and M is before G, and H is before G and also before L, and I still don't know if H and L are before or after F. But what I was asked what can't be true, and for answer choice B, you can see it. G is before K? No, G is 2 spaces after K, at least. Question 15, I do get the little something I can put in my diagram. If Zon is on Thursday. All right, here's one uses of my rule tree. I can see that there are only 3 things that could ever possibly be on Saturday, Z, G, and L, right? Because H has L after it, M has G after it, K has Z after it. None of those could be last. So L, G, or Z going to be last, and now Z is not. So L and G are. And from my rule tree, Z is after F and K. So there's this third thing in here with F and K, but somewhere I've got F before K and then some other item, and that item could be M, or it could be H. All right, so I don't care about it, right? Because I was asked what must be true. And so what must be true is L and G are on Saturday, and that's what I'm looking for. But I didn't get that exactly. Instead, I got A, Flynn is earlier than Lung, which, yes, must be true, even if we didn't mess around with Flynn being over here. Lung is on Saturday. Everybody else is earlier than Lung. 16, like 15, gives me something I can plug into a diagram. I should be numbering these. I'm sorry. 14, 15 here. Neatness. 16. If M is on Tuesday. Well, from my diagram, that means F is before. From my rules, now F is before L, so L is on Saturday. We were asked what must be true. L is on Saturday. Answer choice C. Yeah, that has to be true. 17. If back to a non-specific kind of direction. If F is before H. Well, if F is before H, then F is also before L, right? And if F is before L, rule 5, L is on Saturday. So for 17, L is on Saturday. And if F is before H, then F has to be first. Nothing else in that tree could be. Second, that could be H or M or K. So things start to break down. But last, we were talking about this earlier. Last is only L or G or Z, so that last one still has to be either G or Z, but I really don't care because the question once again asks me what must be true. So give me Flynn is first or Lung is last. D, Moore is earlier than Lung. The same answer we got in question 14, or 15. Lung is on Saturday. Yes, Moore is earlier. That must be true. For question 18, a substitution question. That means one of these answer choices is a new rule that will mean exactly the same, have the same effects as the old rule. The old rule we're talking about is that F is before K and M. So this rule now no longer in play. And is A the same? F can't be on desk duty on Thursday. And here's how we can find out if it's the same. Make answer choice A true while making rule 3 false. If I can do that, then answer choice A is not the same as rule 3. All right, F is not on Thursday. Let's say we've got F on Friday. And this rule still applies. If F is before L, then L is on Saturday, so we'll just go ahead and do that. And remember, the thing I want to do is make A true, F can't be on Thursday, and make that false. So now let's have H, M, K, and Z. H, M, K, Z, G. All of our other rules are true. M is before G, K is before Z. If F is before L, L's on Saturday. And H is before L. I have made answer choice A true. F is not on Thursday. And I have made rule 3 false. F is not the same as rule 3. I'm sorry, A is not the same as rule 3. How about answer choice B? Only F or H can be on duty on Monday. Well, as it happens, I have made that true. Rule B is true. H is on duty on Monday. And rule 3 is false. Answer choice B is not the same. It doesn't have the same effect as rule 3. Answer choice C, only H or L can be on desk duty earlier than Flynn. So the only people we can put before F are H and L, which means, everybody else is after F, which means K and M are after F. There's no way for me to put K and M, or either one of them, before F. If answer choice C is true, it has exactly the same outcome as our original, which, by the way, we talked about at the very beginning. H and L have no relationship to F. They might be before, but everybody else has to be after. You cannot make answer choice C true without at the same time making rule 3 true. C is the same as 3. They rhyme, and it's the right answer, and it is a substitute. And that finishes this game.